Welcome to this course on computer networks. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of computer networks, what they are, and what their purpose is. Let's start with a simple question. What is a computer network? At its core, a computer network is a group of connected computers that can communicate with each other to exchange information and resources. These networks can range from a small local area network, connecting a few devices in a home or office, to a large-scale enterprise network, connecting thousands of devices in multiple locations. So, what's the purpose of computer networks? In short, it's to facilitate the sharing of information and resources between devices. For example, a user on one computer can access a website hosted on a server in a data center located in another part of the world, thanks to computer networks. Computer networks also enable cloud computing, which allows users to access and use computing resources, like storage and processing power, on demand, from anywhere in the world. In addition, computer networks have enabled the rise of mobile computing, where users can access information and resources on the go using smartphones and other mobile devices. That's it for this overview of computer networks and their purpose. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the OSI model,